Once you've cropped your image, the next step in your workflow should be to appropriately size the image for the output dimensions and resolution that you're going to require when you make an inkjet print. Now, this is pretty simple technically to accomplish. All you do in Photoshop is go up to Image, pull down to the option Image Size. You'll get this window. Pay attention to the units over here. Sometimes, depending on how the previous user has set up the computer, this can be any number of different choices here. We want inches, and to print on an 8.5 by 11 inch paper, making the long axis 9 inches fits pretty comfortably. When you're printing to photographic resolution, generally most people will use an easy to remember resolution of 300 pixels per inch. So you can see we have that here. And notice that this box called Resample is checked. When you either reduce the size or you can actually increase the size, Photoshop will calculate how to best do that through a process called resampling. In our case, it's going to discard information, making the file considerably smaller. And that's the reason you're doing this, by the way. Notice we're going from what was a 56 megabyte image clear down to a 14 megabyte image. That's a good idea to do at this point because doing various operations in Photoshop can be computationally demanding on the computer. Slow it down, and it also means all your images are taking up a lot more memory space on the machine. So, having done all that, 9 inches high, 300 dpi, I'm going to hit OK. Now Photoshop has reduced the size of the image. Let me blow it up a little bit here so you can see it better. And we can just confirm that indeed our image size is now 9 inches high, 300 dpi resolution, and we're good to go.